Yes, it's still the X6M. Guys, what the hell's going on? I mean, why our cousins across the pond don't get all of this? 6 cats, 2 by the turbo, 2 after, another 2, that's 6, plus the OPF, plus the center res, and obviously the rear valve control exhaust system. But if you look up here now, 3-inch Turboback exhaust system, all the way to the back. The tuning is getting done by a tuner. We're parking the car in the back. They're taking the ECU and unlocking it, I believe, and the tuners are going to take the car and do what they need to do. But in the meantime, can you believe this? So anything from like 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, even probably the new hybrid, if they've got this setup, then we could do it. Now, from my understanding, in the United States they don't get OPFs, and I don't think they get these extra cats, and I definitely think they don't get this, because looking at their downpipes that a lot of people have been inquiring in order to get them done, I think they only have these cats. I think so, because they come with a V-band similar to ours, and they kind of come down. The European platforms, I think I've already spoke about it in the video, have these clamps. So we've now designed this pair of clamps, like a spacers, that go engage into the gearbox. So these clamps are part of the like mounted to the gearbox and then hold the exhaust system up. But the bore size is like 2.5 inch or 2.75 inch, so you can't get 3 inch down there. So we've now adapted, designed a new set of adapter plates that go in there. Big job though, in order for you to, the passenger side's fine, the driver side's an absolute mission. But yeah, finally, it took us a couple of weeks to get all this fully designed. It's fully, as you can see, it's fully X-piped, fully valve controlled, having a custom tip spot on there. You'll see that in the video. But yeah, so if you've got one of these platforms, guys, and you need exhaust system for race use only, you know who to contact. Keep on watching these videos right to the end. I want to hear what it sounds like, so keep on watching. What a beast of a car. I don't know if I like them or if I don't, but I think I like it over the X5 now because it looks like a coupe. Guys, welcome to another video. X6M, the newer version, twin turbo, non-hybrid as just yet, right? Having a big exhaust system. Right, we're starting from the top, stage 2 downpipes, all the way through. Track use only, as you know. We don't know what bore size we're going for. I believe the average bore sizes at the moment from the States are coming over about a 3 inch. We'll see if we could over exaggerate that, but we're going all the way through, right the way to the back, valve control setup, and our new mad tips. Now, hopefully by the time we finish off this exhaust system, they'll arrive, but they haven't, so we'll have to put some temporary tips and make another video for it. So these guys keep on watching that. So if you have one of these platforms, the 4.4 M5 X6M X5M with the double OPS or double cats, and keep on watching this video and you'll hear what it sounds like. It's going over to DRS up in Derby for a full custom tune. I believe the ECU needs to come out, be sent over to Fem Sports. They're doing that and doing all the custom tune on the car. But keep on watching because it'll be an interesting one.